This is a Honda 400 received by a fellow soul drop. This is his key. Key and then do is the key to increase the original car chip is 46 at that time is to copy the chip. After copying the key is also good to the owner found that the key cannot find the car cause the original key also does not work. Now he removed the module to us received here to give him a mode machine spirit to write him a key. This is his ECU in the back of his opener library, and then use the tool is this one ultrasonic wave. A cutting knife with it to cut the plastic is very good. This has been dug open inside an octagonal. The model number written on it is 93LC46. We'll read the octagonal code piece. We have read out the data of the 93LC46A. Then write him 2 original 46 chip. This is the interface of the software operation data have been written already. You can send it back to find the car.
Honda 400 key to determine the use of Moshi wizard matching. 2 keys successfully recruited.
Copy.